Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to add someone as a collaborator on TikTok so that both of your names appear on the same video and you can also grow together. So first of all, you need to either come here on tiktok.com or you need to open your TikTok application on your phone. Over here, simply click on the option of upload, then select the video which you want to basically upload. So you need to start uploading the video as you normally do. Simply just add the captions into it, then add the musics, then go to the settings. But before posting, you just have to scroll down to the bottom and tap on the option of more options. There you will find the option of tag or collaborator or tag the co-author. So whichever option you find there, simply just tap on that and TikTok will open the followings list in front of you. You will have to choose the person whom you want to add as a collaborator, and this can be a friend, a creator you filmed with, or anyone who agrees to be tagged. So when you select their profile, TikTok is going to send them a collaboration request. So your video will be uploaded instantly, but their names won't appear until they accept the request. So once they approve it, your video will show co-created with, and the video will appear on both of your profiles, and it is going to give you the double reach. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.